And we're back. Went according as we thought it was. Fight the sheep. Got them outside now. Just tackled it. Wonderful. Yeah, it's still decent in here, but it's still really cold. The sheep outside. Oh no. I gotta check if they.
Did you forget to close the gate?
I don't think I.
They're fine.
Yeah, they just out there.
The worst thing that can happen is somehow they get underneath the fence and we're screwed.
No, we should be good. It all has fencing. But yeah, they sniffing around, having fun. Woo! Let's get to work.
That was kind of scary.
Oh yeah.
She was freaking bucking the sheep.
You want to know something? That if this is, you think they would be?
That's what she got in. Yeah, I was scared because Loretta was running away and Mama over there was trying to kick her. That's why I was scared for the sheep because she just kept.
Yeah.
And at one point she back kicked and freaking smoked the sheep's head.
Does it help that my dad kept trying to call?
Oh, fuck your dad.
Like,
Video.
Yeah, but who cares? He doesn't even know I have a channel.
Leave it.
Oh, let's see what Engel has to say about the water. Frozen. The hydrate is okay, right?
Let's not mention the angle that a sheep got in the goat pen.
Well, we're not sure. We're not sure if the hydrate is okay, guys. This could be bad. You're like deep freeze. Because I think the hydrate is what the cows have.
Hydrate.
Yeah.
What's hydrate?
I think he's referring to what the cows have for an automatic water dish.
Oh, you think that connects right to the pump?
Did the water work? Did the water work at the sink or any other place? Yes. Yes. Okay, so he must. Okay, so I must be thinking of something else. Okay. So we're gonna scrape this clean. Take off the top layer. Should we just give them new water while we're at it?
What?
Should we just give them new water while we're at it?
Last night.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
So just clean it out. Get rid of the ice. Yay.
You want to start fixing that veil?
Honestly, we'll just scrape off what we need again and throw it away. Or throw it in the dish. So let's see. Is this a good point of view for the pen?
I don't like sheep anymore.
Okay, so now I had a pen view. Okay.
Oh my toes.
They mad okay, so the cows is still mad because the automatic water dish is completely frozen. We can't get water out to them because it's -40 outside pretty much. Especially with the wind chill, -40. So it's just terrible weather for us.
Alright, where are you with this?
Oh.
Where are you with this?
Honest, if it's on the ground, throw it in the back. We'll, let me get the wagon in here. Nia.
I'm just putting it back up on this.
Okay. That works too. I don't really care.
We're moving this big crate, aren't we?
No.
Yeah. Maybe not. Maybe.
They don't go under there. I don't want to see why you want me to.
Oh, they do go underneath there.
Yeah.
Last night it came in here, one was crawling out from underneath it.
What I mean is they don't actually like sleep or anything like that.
The water's already froze.
Bam! Okay, so what we're doing is we're scraping off the top of the pan. Scraping off all the feed in here that they've thrown out and giving them new bean stalks. And hopefully trying to keep everything thawed out and us not getting frostbite. That is the hope, you guys. Does not mean it's gonna happen, which I doubt it's gonna happen. So I'm gonna just start doing this. Oh my goodness. This is just wet. It's just wet. Oh damn, this is gonna be so much hotter. But it's physically layered.
No, I know that. Nelly, I'm not happy with it, boo. I get that. You're protecting your daughter, but still, a headshot.
This ain't gonna be fun.
What? Hey, look at all the heat trapped in there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
At least we were doing something right.
What, did you just like edit it all out? What you don't want? You just have it continuously rolling just in case something like happens?
Maybe. Sometimes I just let it roll and post whatever I have. Like for these videos, why should I cut anything out? It's a farm video. Wouldn't see why I would need to cut anything out.
Maybe just cut out the bleep.
The bleeps? What do you mean? The bleeps are the funniest parts half the time.
I don't want to see you being affiliated with foul language. My mama still think I'm a good boy.
It does not matter, Dad. I full on swear and cut my hand open in one of the videos. I did not believe
Wait,
that.
you actually have a video or just short?
I have shorts and videos. I have 2 long form videos of the bond. But the one that I cut my hand open, I was looking at the other farmer.
Yeah, you should make a well farm.
I already have a series. I have a full series for this. If you look on my channel, I actually have a full series of this.
I know, but I mean like separate.
But,
Oh, you know what? Maybe I'll just do that. I have TikTok.
So, we already have one for FFA, so this is pretty much just my personal stuff. Which you can always give me videos of you like walking here too.
Yeah, that's what I was planning on doing it. Right, you said there was wood this time. I ain't seen no wood yet.
There was.
Oh, wait, no, I see it now.
So how do you want to do
Well,
this? Okay. You want a heavy jacket?
I got my jacket.
Alright. So, how are you gonna get this out of here? Oh, yeah, just because. How about you take it out? I'll continue to fill up one.
No. I carried out all the donkey stuff last time.
Yeah, but this is light. So no, because then I can continue to stay in here. I can have my sweatshirt off. You can come in here and warm up. Because what? It's gonna take me a little bit per each thing.
Just gotta heat up my gloves.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. The water dish is completely frozen for them. Ah! Yeah, I don't bleep anything out. YouTube bleep stuff out. Like, it's not very common that I bleep something out. If I bleep something out, it must have been bad. Let's see. Let's see if I can zoom out farther so you can get more of a view. There. You guys can actually see most of the pen, I guess. Hopefully. Now the sound's probably butchered. The sound's definitely butchered, so who knows if maybe you're gonna hear it.
I swear to God. Riley, where's the orange stick?
Oh.
It's still outside.
Yeah, but we should check up on the menu. Yeah, the cows are still not happy. The water and everything is still completely frozen. As you heard our advisor is like, oh no. So let's go. Oh, that's cold. Shut the door. It's cold. Negative 40 outside and we're doing physical labor. Oh my goodness. No, I will drop that.
I thought about that.
I would have dropped it.
What do you think of that sled? That sled, guys.
Oh, nice.
Oh yeah. Sexy skidoo.
Yeah, so it's cold. That's cold. Let's see, last night it got below 50, negative 50, so that was fun. So everything's completely frozen, or gonna be frozen still. Wonderful. If you want to skip through most of the bone part, you can. Don't know what's really going to happen to it, but oh, the heater turned off, so it must be decent in here. Ooh, that's cold. Yes, the sheep outside, they're over there. Derek's taking out there. So he'll be actually showing up a decent amount in the new videos. In the shorts, he'll actually he's joined the brotherhood of my channel, pretty much. Pretty much the guys who are always on it, give me content, that are pretty much my friends. Easy. And there he is. Right on time, perfect timing. This card's done, so he'll take it. And yeah. Cold out?
I can't sit out there, my feet are. I can't feel my feet.
Huh?
Don't have shovel.
Yeah.
Kitty. Kitty, come here.
Derek, if you want, you can hold my phone and record for me.
No, I came here. I'm not taking.
What? How?
I think when I hit it with the thing.
Oh.
What the fuck?
Oh! It broke! The boom is now toast, guys.
You should go show them. Tell Engel we request a new.
Yeah, it decided to fall. It broke right here.
That
Yeah.
was not my fault.
No.
It was the cart's fault. The cart was the thing that ran into it.
I've never seen a break like this before.
Huh.
Oh, interesting.
You got the ground in there?
I found better shavings. There's that.
Oh, okay. Wanna know how to compact this?
Huh?
And then you just on top of it, you just
So this is why you don't skip through my videos. If you do, just skim lightly. Especially if I'm recording with somebody else.
oh no!
How bad is it outside?
Bad. Not needed explanation.
Yeah, under the feed-in, which is the red thing for the grain, it should be fine. We shouldn't have to do anything with that.
Yeah, you got that next time.
This? You want me to take this?
Yes.
Damn. Bo's really throwing me under the curb here.
Or you wheel that one out to the main section and you wheel that one back in here and we take 2 trips at the same time.
Yeah.
Do that.
That would just be better.
Okay.
Because if you spend the equal amount, we should. We both working.
What time is it?
9:14.
What?
Damn.
Dude, I gotta be out of here by like. Okay, I might have to stay here till like 10:30 then. If I didn't, we'd have like. We'd be putting like 4 hours in today.
Yeah. Okay, it's actually getting cold in here without the door open.
You know what?
I'm putting my sweatshirt back on.
Hey Riley,
Yeah?
how much work do you think we're doing worth of right now?
Huh?
Now, okay, right now we're probably gonna get paid about $20 for everything we've done in this video. How much should we have gotten?
Probably about the same. Some people would pay us $8 for it.
What?
Yeah.
I was gonna say when we cleaned out that donkey pen, that should have been like, that was like, if it was my uncle, it would have been like $40 worth. Clean out that. But I guess 20 is pretty generous.
Think about it. We're getting paid by the chapter pretty much.
The FFA chapter.
Think about it. We're getting FFA hours in.
Wait, this counts as FFA hours?
Yeah. Maybe not our hours, but you know what I mean. SAEs. That's one reason why I work here.
Oh, I just work here because I'm broke. And I need money.
That's a very valid reason, you guys.
So does Ingo watch the videos?
I don't even know if he knows about the channel. Because I also post a lot of FFA stuff too. Like I posted stuff for World Dairy Expo, the conference.
I'm gonna try to be an officer this next year. I think I got a pretty good shot at that. You think?
Depending on who wins.
Well, a bunch of y'all freshmen got it. Dean Frederick got it. I'm pretty sure I can get it.
You gotta point that guy.
Didn't Wolfie get turned down?
Yeah, Wolfie got turned down.
How? Wolfie would have been like a WSSF officer.
Ah. If he had more qualified, I don't know. You know, Engel decides this, right? Not me.
Ah. I feel like me and Ingo are on a pretty good term.
I always feel like everybody's against me, which half the time they all.
What, against who?
Me?
Oh.
Oh, I'm always on the short end of the sticks.
Riley,
Yeah.
I filled like more than half of this in already. The hell are you doing?
I'm scraping up what's underneath.
Yeah, we're just gonna replace these wood chips, aren't we?
Yeah.
They're all rotted. I'm gonna take that second pail out to the cows. That's what Dad did them.
You know what we could do?
I'm taking them with me.
Okay.
Riley, the handle is frozen.
Oh.
How do you turn this thing around?
Oh, that button.
Okay, hi guys. This is Derek. I'm out here with the sheep right now. And I'm gonna be giving our beefer cows some grain. Yeah, not grain, water. Because their water dish is completely out. Whoa! And we got our sheep out here, which is the pen we're cleaning right now. A basketball. I'm guessing so they can play with it. Here, guys. Maybe not. And we're back
Okay.
in the warm barn.
Flip the camera so it's facing me.
Yeah.
Okay. So just
Why is it so damn dark?
Okay. Oh, I don't know.
It's like pitch dark.
Okay. So instead of taking it, well, the stuff where we've taken it normally, we're gonna be taking it over by the cow. Oh.
Really, I mean, it is like really dark.
We're gonna be taking it over by the cows, because that's another place that we put the waste. Oh my goodness. Oh, why? What? Oh, you went outside, so it messed with the camera. Oh my goodness. Okay, so Derek, we'd be taking it over out by the cows, okay?
Okay.
Because it's way too cold to be going over by the donkeys. Because, again, it's like negative 35 outside. So guess what this...
Quote of the day. Stupid hurt.
Oh, yes.
Ow.
Yes, it does. Oh, my goodness.
If you watch it back, I was hanging on it and I was gonna squat down like that. My foot slipped and I went, ugh.
Okay, so now I'm actually going to watch through this.
There you are.
Okay, so it's 23:30, okay. Okay.
It hurts.
You want to take out the wheelbarrows now?
Yeah. We're thinking about that though?
No. I'll grab this one. I have phone.
Of course it won't be.
That one is just as light. You want your jacket?
No.
Yes, it's... Oh my... The door won't open again, you guys. Ugh. There we go. Ouch! I just had a chunk of flesh fall off of my arm again.
Hi, kids.
There we go. So yay, we go outside. Oh my goodness. Never mind, we ain't going by the cows, you guys.
What, you mean this is like perfect?
No, I'm talking about the snow, the little hill there. It's not good.
That's no.
Because I was gonna say just take it over there. But that's not gonna be easy.
It's perfectly good. There's like a 4 foot. I am standing.
Yeah, stupid does hurt. Oh my goodness. Come on, Derek, let's get the wheelbarrows done so we can actually. Let's see if he hurts himself, you guys. No.
No, I live in Wisconsin. Road doesn't hurt.
I live in Wisconsin too. And I'm still freezing outside. Guess that's also my fault for picking one of the coldest days to actually do stuff.
Come on, I'm out here this morning.
Yeah, I said let's wait until afternoon because it's supposed to be warm.